Okay, see ya.
Like this guy.
Hey. All right, we're leaving the B.S Residency.
Good stay
in Amritsar.
Yeah. In India.
All right. Yeah, you're gonna stay at the B.S Residency. All right, see you guys. Hey guys, it's a little dark. It's 8:15 p.m. and we're gonna leave soon to Delhi. To my Indonesian and Canadian friends, we're catching the Indian-Canadian bus. What's your name?
Money, how are you?
Oh, I don't know.
I'm fine. Where money?
Yeah, are you the bus driver?
Yeah,
He's
no,
the-
no,
no.
I'm in charge.
Oh, you're in charge. Manny's in charge of the Indo-Canadian
Your
bus.
travels. Your travel.
Yeah.
L4, L5, yes sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So this is it here. Got a nice little cab here. Curtains are missing, but I think we're traveling night anyway.
Yeah.
Got a bit of an LCD screen over here, so driver might have to turn around whilst the in-flight entertainment or bus travel entertainment is on. But looks very cool.
Yeah. We're showing you this guy's adventure, so we're gonna get to Delhi at about 3 a.m. in the morning. Then we've got to try to attempt to get to Agra. Okay, so we thought we were being pretty smart when before we got on the bus by going to the shop and getting some Coca-Cola and chips and chocolate, some water. We thought, we're going to need that for 8 hours, but as soon as we got on the bus, they actually gave us a bottle of water and also a snack pack. So I'll just put that around for you. So you got some nimba masala, which are like fried noodles. You got some cookie cake, Lay's chips in there, also a juice, and a snacker. Looks like a bit of a wafer chocolate. So yeah, what do you think, Nick?
Very good. Snacking down on some peanuts as we speak.
Let's get into the peanuts.
Yeah, very good value for money. We are gonna see what this trip's like when we get to Delhi from Amritsar. We have to jump on a bus at about 3:30 a.m. So what we might do for the next one is maybe experience a bit of a lower class one, then we can do a comparison and see what the services are like. But yeah, as we said, this particular trip was 1,500 rupees each, which is roughly about $30 Australian, which is still good value for money. As you can see over here, we've got a TV screen.
So we got a TV screen. Maybe there's going to be a movie later. Not too sure. Don't think there's anything we can plug into it, but maybe that's what the USB thing's here. But so if you're ever in Amritsar, you go into the Golden Temple and you need to get to Delhi, because you need to go to Delhi to get to Agra, which is the Golden Triangle. So yeah, we'll give you an update when we arrive in Delhi at 3 a.m. in the morning. We're not sure what times the buses go to Agra from there. We might get stuck. We might be getting stuck in Delhi at 3 a.m. in the morning, which reminds me of a bit of a time I had in Thailand when I got off a bus from Laos, and we didn't have a hotel booked or anything like that. So we basically had to wait around in a McDonald's till I could get in. But I'm not sure how this will go when we get there. But the bus seems to be traveling quite fast, so looks like we're going to get there on time as expected. Greetings from Delhi, and me and Nick have just got off the bus from Amritsar, and we've just booked another bus to get to Agra. Basically it starts 5:15 in the morning, and we're looking forward to the next leg of the journey. There's a really nice bus that we're on before. It's the Indo-Canadian bus. Highly recommend if you're coming from Amritsar. This is our bus. You enjoying this so far?
Bus looks like a piece of crap. We'll probably sit in something similar to the last one, which I think.
Yeah, this is not an Indo-Canadian bus, that's for sure. But I think it's just a 3-hour trip, so we should survive. And again, we'll give you an update when we get there. Alright, peace out. Just gotten off the bus from Delhi to Agra, and we're just going to take a walk to our hotel now. instead of catching a tuk-tuk, we might just give it a walk because some spectacular views around, even though the bags are pretty heavy. Again, sorry for my voice, it's still not very good. I've got some iodine solution for my throat. Hopefully I get that voice back soon. But yeah, for now, I'll try to get some footage in a second of the Agra fort, which we're just walking past.